Hello all. Today we're gonna demonstrate the use case of user data section under EC2. While launching EC2 instance, you can provide a user data script so it execute and give you pre-installed softwares, pre-installed packages into your EC2 instance. So you will save a lot of time while installing some other packages. So let's quickly jump into the VS terminal. So I'll show you what a script is and what the script is gonna do for us. So here is a script for EC2 instance. So basically we are in the first section we are gonna update some system packages. Sudo yum update -y. This will update system packages, and then after that we gonna install Nginx server in that EC2 instance, and then we will start Nginx server and then enable Nginx server in a background. So this is the pretty simple script. So this script we are going to provide in the user data section under VPC launch category. So let's quickly jump onto the EC2 console and launch one EC2 instance. So for that we have an AWS dashboard ready for this. So let's launch one EC2 instance. So click on EC2, click on launch instance. So right now we are in Ohio region. So let's give your instance name as Nginx server, and this Amazon Linux we are already selected. So then select instance type, so keep it free tier eligible T2 micro, which comes with 1 GB CPU and 1 GB of RAM, 1 CPU and 1 GB of RAM, and then select your key pair. So I'm going with master key as I have already created it. So keep it your network setting as default, select your default VPC. So you can create one security group. So security groups are very essential for to interact with outside people. So for that you have to enable some ports, open some ports. So for the SSH purpose you are gonna open port 20 from anywhere, 22 actually. So and HTTPS traffic also we can allow from anywhere. So okay, then under advanced setting options, then you have option called user data. So here you can install your script, provide your script. So let's quickly copy this script. Don't worry, I'm gonna provide this in my description. So just paste it, and this script will install Nginx for us while booting. So quickly go through what we have configured yet. So all set. So let's launch one EC2 instance. So the system is in the booting state. This will create one Nginx server for us, and let's configure some security policies so where we can open some ports for incoming traffic. So click on security settings. So port 22, 443 and port 80 are open. So that's fine. We must able to interact with this machine on the particular ports. So wait for this machine in a running state, and we will connect it to it. So it's in the running state. So let's click on machine ID and connect it. So we are using this EC2 instance connect method to connect with. So this is the username for our machine. So let's click on connect button. So this is connecting. And let's check whether the Nginx server is up and running or not. So simply click on this public IP address and paste it here and just hit enter. So let's see whether the Nginx server, yes, the Nginx is installed. So congratulations, your script is successfully executed. So this is how you can play with your user data script and provide the necessary script. So thank you very much for watching this video.